Tori on the beat.
Hey man, it's Reselling, aka CEasy, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the lifestyle. Welcome back to another video. And yes, guys, I am back with another unboxing slash try on haul. And I know you guys peeped the B-roll. You know your boy's getting good at it. And essentially, as you guys can tell by the title, we have the FTP Red Women unboxing slash try on haul. The package is right here, and if the B-roll was there and good, that basically means that this package should have went according to plan, but I don't know because I'm recording this part first. And yes, what we're basically going to do, you guys saw the B-roll, we're going to transition into making sure, just doing the unboxing, and I'll give you guys my honest opinion on how I feel about it, like if the quality is good, and you know, if I'm really rocking with it. And also, this piece will be for sale. It will be for sale on the Easy Resell page. So make sure, like I say this in almost every video, if you guys are not following it, the Easy Resell page, it's going to be linked down below in the description. Y'all go ahead and shoot that page a follow, because that's where y'all going to be in tune with all the pieces that I get, the pieces now and for the future. Everything that I have for reselling will be posted on that page first. It will either be posted tonight or early tomorrow. So if you have your eyes for it and you want the piece, go ahead and, you know, follow that page and be in tune with it. But guys, I need you guys to smash up the like button. We need 100 likes on this video. And again, guys, thank you for the support y'all been showing on the previous two videos. If you have not checked them out, I have an unboxing for this piece right over here, and try on haul is the V-Loan piece. I am planning on keeping it, but it has a cut at the bottom, so I'm gonna see if I can get another one. If I get another one, I may sell one of them. So fingers crossed for that one, because one of you guys could potentially get this piece over here. And the other video that I posted was basically going over Warren Lotus's brand new dunk. You know what I'm saying? I call it the Nike inspired dunk. I'm rocking with it. A lot of people have various opinions about it. Make sure that you guys check that out, and let me know if you got your hands on that one as well. But anyways, let's get this unboxing started and let's get it. Alright guys, we ain't gonna waste no time, man. I'm about to go ahead and do the unboxing just like the last video. We gotta make it fly out of thin air like this. Oh shoot, you guys thought I was playing. We have the package over here. We're not gonna get any of that nice, you know, unboxing B-roll, just because of the fact that it's a regular package. Ooh. Check it out, check it out. Looking pretty nice, pretty nice. And this piece is in a size large for any of you guys wondering. Let's get a quick little go right here. This is the back right over here. And yes, for this piece, I'm gonna put it up in full screen just so you guys can see it all in detail as I'm giving like the description of it. So go ahead and get that piece going. Alright, so yeah, it's large. You got the Red Woman T, FTP. Essentially, it's like a cartoon image of some type of, you know, I guess inspired like female or something like that, or a cartoon person. I'm not really too sure. I mean, it is pretty tough. I really can't read what it says at the bottom. So if for any one of you guys that know what it says on the bottom, like the signature, go ahead, let me know. There's nothing on the bag. The quality, I mean, it feels pretty good. It has a real nice oversized feel. I am rocking with that for sure. Quality, I mean, it seems decent. 100% cotton. It's pretty shrunk, so you shouldn't have to worry about it shrinking on you and whatnot. And overall, I mean, I feel like it's a nice, cool piece, good quality. It is my first FTP piece. I know that they're mainly known for like the more simple designs. Those are the pieces that usually sell, but I was like, hey, let me test my luck. Let me see what I can grab. Maybe you'll still go for something in the resale market. And yeah, I mean, it's just a regular, just cool, chill piece. For me personally, I don't know if I'll keep it for the personal, but nonetheless, it is still a nice piece. It does feel like it's good quality. And I mean, overall, I'm happy with it, but this piece will be going for reselling. So for those of you guys who do want it, make sure that you go ahead and get your hands on it. But yeah, overall, I mean, it's a cool, nice piece. Quality is up there, and you know, I'm kind of rocking with it. So now, I mean, I guess it's time for the B-roll. After I try it on and whatnot, I'm gonna give you guys like a better understanding or opinion on how I feel about it, because as of right now, just based off the looks, it just looks like, you know what I'm saying, like for the price it was at, I feel like it's definitely a good cop thus far. But let's get this B-roll going, and then I'll come back with you guys after I've tried it on and I've done the whole nine. So let's get it.
Sorry on the beat.
Alright guys, and to go ahead and conclude the Red Women FTP, you know, this, you know, unboxing, trying haul, all that. I just want to go ahead and say that, you know, after wearing it for a little bit of time, you know, like it has a really good fit. I do rock with that. And two, it's a standard cotton that you can expect from like any type of like clothing. Obviously, like, you know how I be, I really do like the heavy cotton. This is not it. This is just like, you know, what you could expect, average. It's nothing too crazy. You know what I mean? But it's not like you're gonna be disappointed with it, if you know what I mean. I mean, it's a cool graphic on the tee. The market for it is like, it's so weird. You got people highballing it, you got people lowballing it, you know what I'm saying? Just cause like, personally, it's just like, you can rock the shirt with various things. So I just want like some jeans, and I threw on the CDGs with it. You know, it was a pretty cool fit. I could obviously go ahead and add a few accessories, kind of make it better. You could even go ahead and layer it with a coat or whatever. But just overall, I mean, I feel like it's a cool piece. Has a nice, clean, oversized feel to it. Nothing too crazy. And I mean, I was happy with the piece. And again, guys, if you guys want to get your hands on the piece, you guys already know where to go. We got the Easy Resell. At the Easy Resell _Easy Resell page, so make sure you guys go ahead and follow that. And I just want to go ahead and give a few updates. Okay, so for tomorrow, I'm gonna have 2 uploads. I was gonna upload the 21 Savage merch review, because I do feel like there are some pieces that you may be able to make a profit off of, but other than that, it's really just gonna be me focusing on like the pieces that I really like. Because I ain't gonna lie, there's some pieces over there that I'm just like, all right, this is tough. I want it for my personal collection. And I'm going to have the sneaker flea unboxing. I think the pieces that I get, I feel like it's gonna take you guys for a turn. Some of you guys might be like, these other, you know what I'm saying? Like, I feel like the opinions on that, like, I'm curious to see what you guys are gonna think. I'm not gonna say too much about it, because I want you guys to like wait for that video and watch it. And other than that, you know what I mean, the Juice WRLD V-Lone merch is coming pretty soon. They said that it should be shipped out or be delivered by like October 13th. So in the coming weeks, I will have that video. And yes, in this month, I will be doing the V-Lone collection video. I have a decent collection. I'm not going to say it's something crazy large. I know a lot of you guys probably have a bigger collection than me, but we're going to go ahead and take a look at my little collection. I feel like I got some unique pieces. You guys have seen a few of them, but not all of them yet. Okay. But yeah, again, guys, thank you for all the support on the channel. As always, I need you guys to go ahead and smash up that like button. I need 100 likes on this video. And if you're new to the channel, what you waiting for? We're reaching 3,000 subscribers this month, but I need your help. So go ahead and smash that subscribe button. But anyways, guys, it's your boy Alia, aka CEasy, and I'm out.